So boys and girls, this is the start of our optical illusion drawing. First, you need to gather up some materials. You'll need a ruler or a straight edge. You'll need a variety of markers, including a black marker, and the 9 by 12 piece of paper seems to work pretty well. So get your surface all ready. The first step is that you're going to make straight lines. You're going to make a vertical straight line. Doesn't have to be in the middle of the paper. Just has to be straight. Vertical straight line. Pick it up. Do a horizontal straight line. After you have completed these lines, you're going to then start with diagonal straight lines. This will be a beautiful optical illusion whenever you're done. We're going to do it in 2 parts. This is the first part for setting up, and then I'll give you the next episode to color it. To the corner, diagonal from the corner to the midpoint. And then again in this direction. From that cross section to the edge. And one last one. From this middle section to the edge. So we're basically done with the ruler now. Be careful. If you have marker on yourself, you're going to want to go ahead and wash that off before you continue. All right, I'm going to jump ahead a little bit. With this part, you're going to do curved lines that smile up like a smiley face all the way up through the shape. So right down here I start and I curve up like a smiley face. And I go again, leaving about a finger in between. And again. And again. And again. Wish I could have finally used an eraser, but that's all right. Sometimes it just happens. So start here, curving up. There we go. Until I go off the paper. That's pretty good. Now turn it this way. This time I'm going to do a mountain curve or a curve going down, but I make sure that I touch the edge there and come down to the next one. So right from this edge and down. This edge again and down so that the curve is exactly opposite. And down. And down. And down. And down. And this one isn't going to quite make it, so it goes off and then comes back on again. There we go. And I keep turning until it's all done. Now, I've started smiley face, mountain, smiley face. The deeper the curve, the better this seems to work. There we go. And turn. So once again, I went smiley face. Now it's mountain. It's all about alternating. We're alternating our pattern. And meeting up with the edges. I hope you were inspired by our optical illusion video. It took me a while to find it, but when I did, I thought, oh my, this one is perfect for you. And I only have a little nubbly one and a little nubbly one. And around. So I did the mountain. So again, I have to do the smile. one more at the very edge. There we go. Whew. This is getting hard to just look at. Now, mountain. Always we're alternating. That's the key. That will be the key when we're coloring it also. Alternating. There we go. Up, up. One last little section. Now, if you take a look, both of these were curling up, so of course that means this one should go down. Whether you look at it as mountain or frowny face, they have to hit both edges, so you have to be pretty careful on this one. And this is probably the trickiest part. Even if you run out, you've got to continue. There you go. This concludes part 1 of our optical illusion.